Do we know why we sleep so much in trains? Do we know which is the longest platform in the world? Do we know which is the tallest rail bridge in the world? Let's check it out. Hey, hi, vanakkam. This is Gyan the Quiz Planet and I'm your Turing. So we all love going in train, right? A long journey in train makes everything beautiful, doesn't it? But do we know enough about Indian railways? So welcome to the channel, guys. As we all know, Indian Railways is a very large network, but being so large, it does have some fascinating facts. So the first fact is, do we even know why we sleep so much in trains? Have you ever wondered? Actually, some of us sleep better in train than in homes. To find this out, watch the video till the end. Why do we sleep so well in train? Actually, some of us sleep better in trains than our home. The reason is simple. Indian Railways designs its coach at a resonance frequency of 1.2 Hz, which is exactly the frequency which you require to sleep properly. According to sources, Indian Railways had already designed its train coaches at 1.2 Hz to give their passengers the most comfortable journey. The railway platform, which is world's longest, is actually situated in India. To be frank, the top 3 longest railway platforms are in India. So which is the topmost? Topmost goes to the Gorakhpur railway station, which is located in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It is the world's longest railway platform and it measures 1366 meters. The Gorakhpur railway station is a major railway station in the state of Uttar Pradesh, especially in eastern Uttar Pradesh, as it connects eastern Uttar Pradesh to Bihar and Nepal and other northern Indian states to Bihar. Gorakhpur railway station is also very famous, as it has featured in Guinness World Record books and Limca World Record books. Do we know which is world's tallest rail bridge? For those of you already know this, a big salute. For those who don't know, let's get into the topic. The highest rail bridge in the world is present in Jammu Kashmir region. The name of the bridge is Chenab, as it runs over the Chenab river. This bridge is actually built at a height of 359 meters from the bed level, and it has a central span of 467 meters. So what does it mean? It is actually taller than the Eiffel Tower in Paris, which is 324 meters, and Qutb Minar in Delhi, which is 72 meters. Actually, this is the tallest bridge in the world. To add value to this bridge is capable of handling wind speeds up to 266 km per hour, which means it can withstand a wind speed of 266 km per hour with a load on it. If we remember the trigonometry which we learned in school, this bridge can be of big significance to us. But this is certainly a big significant achievement in the history of Indian Railways, as this bridge is going to be the world's highest bridge. Not only that, it is so adorable that you would always want to take a pic with it. So sure, go take a pic. The indigenous train built by India is also known as Vande Bharat Express or Train 18. This is a semi-high-speed intercity electric multiple unit which was built by Integral Coach Factory, Chennai. This was built under Indian government under a span of 18 months, and this was under initiative of Make in India. The unit cost of first trek was actually given as 1 billion. Though the unit cost is expected to go down with subsequent production, and the original price it is estimated to be 40% cheaper than the similar trains imported from Europe. Train 18's exterior appearance consists of aerodynamic narrowing at each ends of the train. Not only this, Train 18 also employs a regenerative braking system. This consists of 16 cars with a seating capacity of 1128 passengers. The slogan of Indian Railways is Lifeline of the Nation. As the slogan suggests, it is truly one of the lifelines of the nation. It is the cheapest transport in India, which constitutes a transportation of 6 billion passengers per year. The railways traverse length and breadth of the country. It operates 8,702 passenger trains and transports 15 million daily across 28 states and 8 union territories. So guys, I think we should be proud of our own Indian railways, and if you did like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and please comment. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you keep getting our updates. And if you like more videos like this, please follow our channel Gyan the Quiz Planet. So this is your Turing signing off from Gyan the Quiz Planet. Let's see in another interesting video next time.